Imagine a fruit so vibrant it rivals the sunset, so sweet it could be dessert, yet so healthy it puts your multivitamin to shame. In our journey today, we're venturing into the exotic, the colorful, the tantalizing world of fruits that not only delight the palate but also pack a powerful punch of health benefits. From the dragon-like exterior of one to the sweetly deceptive humble appearance of another, these fruits are nature's very own health capsules. Prepare for a tropical adventure as we count down the top 5 exotic fruits and their health benefits. At number 5, we have the dragon fruit, a fruit whose flamboyant appearance only hints at the nutritional treasure within. The dragon fruit, also known as pitahaya, is a sight to behold with its vibrant, scaly exterior and white or red flesh speckled with tiny black seeds. Its taste? A delightful mix of sweetness and tartness that leaves your taste buds wanting more. But the dragon fruit is not just a pretty face, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with fiber, helping you keep your digestive system in check. It's also a great source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that boosts your immune system. And let's not forget its high antioxidant content, which combats harmful free radicals in the body. The dragon fruit, a delicious way to keep your body fighting fit. Coming in at number 4 is the durian, a fruit that sparked debate with its unique aroma, but its health benefits are undeniably impressive. Known as the king of fruits in Southeast Asia, the durian's scent can be polarizing, but don't let that deter you. This fruit holds a treasure trove of nutrients beneath its spiky exterior. It's high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. The durian is also packed with potassium, a mineral essential for strong bones. And if you're looking for a youthful glow, this fruit is your ally, thanks to its rich antioxidant content that fights against aging. The durian, a fruit that proves that sometimes beauty really is on the inside. At number 3, we find the mangosteen, a fruit so revered it's known as the queen of fruits. Imagine peeling open a deep purple rind to reveal soft white segments of fruit. The taste? A symphony of sweet and sour, a tangy twist that dances on your tongue. But the mangosteen is more than just a royal delicacy. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Packed with potent antioxidants, it's a natural warrior against free radicals. Its immune-boosting properties help fortify your body's defenses, while its heart-friendly compounds may promote cardiovascular health. So, the next time you're seeking a fruit with a taste and benefits that reign supreme, remember the mangosteen. The mangosteen, a royal treat with benefits fit for a queen. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the top 2 fruits on our list. Coming in at number 2 is the acai berry, a small, round, deep purple superfruit hailing from the rainforests of South America. Its flavor, a blend of wild berries with a hint of dark chocolate, is as delightful as its health benefits are impressive. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, and heart-healthy fats, the acai berry is a delicious weapon in the fight against aging and disease. And finally, the crown jewel of our list, the jackfruit. This colossal fruit from South Asia is a sight to behold with its spiky exterior and vibrant sweet and subtly tart flesh. But the jackfruit is more than just a pretty face. It's a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber. Even its seeds are edible and rich in protein. This fruit truly is a testament to nature's bounty, offering not only a gastronomic adventure but also a wealth of health benefits. There you have it, the top 5 exotic fruits that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also boost your health. So next time you're looking for a snack, why not reach for one of these exotic treasures?